In this quick video, let me show you how to create an image to realistic AI animation and Pika AI. First, we'll create an AI character. In this video, we'll use PicLumen AI to bring our movie character to life. Head over to the PicLumen website. Once there, click on the Generate for Free button. After that, select the AI model from the list. And as example, I'm using PicLumen Realistic version 2. Continue by choosing the aspect ratio and the number of images you want to generate. Next, in the prompt bar, click the image icon and upload your character reference. Then describe your movie character in the prompt bar with as much as detail as possible. Be sure to click on the image reference and select the character ref option. Once you're ready, hit the Generate button to create your AI image. After generating your AI, click the Download button to save it to your computer. Thanks for tuning in to How to Doctor. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.